Hey girl with the big foot. Hey! Listen what me said. No! Your foot similar to national bread. Hey big foot. Hey! Go up on the bed. Oh! Your foot take up 2/2 of the spread. Hey big feet. Yeah! Me know say you see it. Your big toe need no 2 row of seat. Big foot. Yeah! Your license for these. Heavy man a run when you step in at the street. Hey big foot.
Remember when you did little and you broke something and your parents asked you about it? Your brother or sister never inform. But just the look where them look upon you, give away. Which one now brought the plate in our kitchen?
Me never tell you. Why you not here when me
Come here. Flashback video. Real shit what happened to me when I was a little boy. Good evening, mommy and daddy. Talk to your son. What is my find under your bed? Jamaican kids be like, Mommy, me can go outside. Go outside? You take out the garbage? Your room clean? You wash up the little plate then? Me have to do all of that for go outside? From you come from the Caribbean, you been through this before. Mommy, you can't make me break. No, ask me for no. Go back on your bed.
You run away here.
Remember back in the days when your mother used to say this?
Me tired of the dirty plate them in the sink.
Alright, me go wash them. But what you really do want to say is,
Me tired of the dirty.
you tired, me tired too. I do so much work in my out. Get up! Ma, what me tell you about left in plate in the sink at night time? Mommy, me never remember. Get up! Ah! Yeah, me get one cocoa bread and one patty, chicken patty. Daddy, me can get one patty too. No, you're not gonna get it, you know. What me tell you about begging?
In the arms of the angel.
When your Caribbean parents them use iPhone for the first time. So Andrew, show me off a face minute. I want to call you auntie a foreign. You mean FaceTime, not face minute. FaceTime? Give me a phone. Show me. Childhood memory for all the Caribbean people on Instagram. Remember back in the days when the mother used to talk to yourself then spaz out on you for no reason? From morning no day and I watch TV. You take your book from morning! You ever dip on the phone and your mother embarrass you? Baby, so we never see you again. And too much time me talk to you so when you do you for flush the toilet. Where you left your shit in there for? Me dip on the phone. But dip on the phone, you pay your phone bill? Get up and go flush the toilet. I'll do something for mother and car. Never answer your mother with that attitude. Anjo! Yeah! How would that dirty stinking green arm boy they think him out? Come here to me! Yes, mommy. Remember when you used to look like you used to sneak out for go party? Put your blood clot back in the bed. Anjo, you beard from morning? No. Go over here!
I be feeling like the man when I walk through.
Beard? Yes, mommy. Come and me smell you. Go back in the bathroom! Go take out the rubbish now. Why you not take it out? Every time they tell me if you do something. She never do nothing in the door. What you say? No. This Friday me hear DJ Young Chow party gonna be off the chain. Mommy, me can go DJ Young Chow birthday party? You sweep out the house for morning? Yeah, me sweep out the house. I lie my tell movie, you never sweep up the house. You go sweep out the house from now till Friday. Things I wish I could have said to your parents. Get up and go wash the plate them in the kitchen. You go wash them. You busy?
Your breast them stiff in your blouse. You know what me love the most. Me love when the big black hood in your mouth.
Lock off it blood clot. You know no fucking manners. Dog, we need to tidy up in here. And you mean to tell me say friend you get up and can't spread the bed? All of me food done? See me I tell you know. When your friend a leave? Make sure when you're done, you wash up the plate, alright? No, wash nothing. What you say to me, little boy? Yes. Morning, mommy. Morning. You couldn't take out the rubbish them. I take it out right now. If I had my son, him take it out same time. Bitch! Nobody a talk to you? Eh? So you gonna make him talk to me, sir? What is it the backside? Me not buy no more food in here. Cause me not buy food in here for to eat. What? Yes, Johnny, him there out here, so you want to talk to him? Me don't want to talk to her. Come talk to your auntie now. Andrew, my soon come back, hear me? I go up on the road. Alright, mommy, you can buy me McDonald's? You have McDonald's money? Bitch, you know them have a dollar menu. Oh, the blood. Next time, no fuck yourself, yeah? Remember when you used to cry before you get beaten? Me, I get real tired now, you know. Every day your teacher call me and say, nah, do no work. All you do is disrupt the class. I don't cry, you cry. Me give you nothing for cry, for? I'm tired of you, man. Tired. For them a call me every day. I say I misbehave at school. I kiss it. No! That me send you go to school for though. Put it down. Fuck, what me I gotta do? Me a wait. You put it down, yeah? One fuck clip me doggy. What kind of talk this me here say you gay?
I'm not gay no more. I am delivered.
Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. Mommy, the food done? Hold on. Come out of the kitchen, little boy. You not see me there on the phone. Me see that little boy now. Me catch you. Come put your backside back down in a chair. I run up and down in a people house like you know sin. You know home training. Sit down. Wait till you go home. I'm going to bust your ass. Lock it back! Mommy, I can't move my homework. Let me see it.
5 minus 3 equal.
4? You know no fucking sense. You have 5 things and you take out 3. Mommy, that hard. My money must have waste. My money a waste. Hey! Get up, mommy. Kill your blood.
Excuse me, miss. Is everything alright?
Everything is alright, man. Get up. You not see it full if you take it out. Where they from, man? Come here to me. Mommy, me did. Where you did?
Yeah. Running through the 6 with my woes.
Hey, little boy, see your breakfast, yeah? Mommy, this bun up. You give me nothing for put on? No. You better nyam it, cause me not have nothing in here for waste. Hey, get up, every last morning me have to wake you up for go to school. I see him blasting thing there top, boy. You stay up all night and play the rocks video game. Mommy, me can't get this. Go put it back. You think me have money for waste? Watch ya. Hey, little boy, cover your eye. Oh, Tara. Mommy, me a fuck long time. I want to hear this son. Run where here? You want to run where? He? Run where, go where? Me tired of you. Me tired of you. Me tired of you. You're going to kill me. Oh, God. Okay. Tired of you now. You kill me. You kill me. Take off my slippers and can't come give me. Me rough! Me not tired to tell you not sleep in that couch! Eh? When you take the couch in your bed, go to your bed!
ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. If you like my video, please I ask you to like and subscribe and share. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this video and tell me what we would like to see me do next. Until next time, it is your boy Camille Clark. Peace.